Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate our library management system. This system is designed to simplify and automate the daily operations of a library by managing books, members, borrowing, returns, reservations, and fines efficiently. Let's see how the system works. This is the admin login page. Only authorized librarians or administrators can access this section of the system. After entering valid administrator credentials, the administrator is redirected to the admin dashboard where all library management functions are available. This is the admin dashboard, which acts as the central control panel of the library management system. The navigation bar provides access to all major modules including Add New Book, All Books, Manage Users, Issued Books, Manage Fines. Each module is designed to simplify the daily operations performed by the librarian. Now we move to the Add New Book module. This page allows the librarian to register a new book in the library database. The librarian enters all required information including book name, category, author, publisher, price, and number of copies. Each field stores important information about the book, allowing the system to maintain an organized and searchable collection. After completing all required information, clicking the Add Book button stores the new book in the database. A confirmation message is displayed once the book has been successfully added. When a member requests to borrow a book, the librarian records the transaction through this page. The librarian selects the required user and the requested book. The system automatically records the issue date. Once the issue process is completed, the available quantity of the selected book is automatically updated. This prevents issuing books beyond the available stock. Now we move to the Manage Users. This module enables the librarian to manage members' accounts. The librarian can activate and deactivate user accounts whenever necessary. This ensures that only authorized members can continue using the library services. The system immediately updates the user's account status after each action. Next, we open the Issued Book page. For each issued record, the system displays username, book name, issue date, and current status. The status clearly indicates whether the book is still within the borrowing period or has become overdue. This allows librarian to monitor all active borrowing transactions efficiently. When a member returns a borrowed book, the librarian processes the return using this same page. If the book is returned after the due date, the system automatically identifies the delays and calculates the corresponding overdue fine. Next is the defaulter list. This shows the overdue books and who borrowed that book. Next is the Manage Fines section. This page displays members who have overdue books together with the calculated fine amount. The system automatically calculates the fine based on the number of overdue dates. Although the fine amount is automatically calculated by the system, it cannot be settled through the system because an online payment gateway has not been integrated. Therefore, members must pay the fine manually at the library counter, and the librarian records the payment after receiving it. Once the payment has been received, the librarian can update the payment status within the system.
Now we are navigating to the new user registration page. This module allows the librarian or administrator to register new user who will be able to access the library management system. The first field is the full name. Here we enter the complete name of the new user. This information is used throughout the system to identify the registered user. Next, we enter the email address. The email serves as the user's contact information and can also be used for future communication and account management. Next, we create secure password for the user. This password will be required whenever the user logs into the system. Now we add the contact number. Next, we choose the role of the user. The role determines the permissions and functions available after login, ensuring that user can only access features relevant to their responsibilities. Next, we enter the addresses of the user. After verifying all the entered information, we click the register button. The system validates the input, store the user details in the database, and display a success message confirming that the registration has been completed successfully. The newly registered user can now log into the library management system using the created credentials. This is the user login page. Registered users can securely access the system by entering their username and password. The system verifies the entire credential before granting access. Once the login is successful, the user is redirected to the user dashboard. This is the user dashboard, which serves as the main page after logging into the system. From here, user can search books, borrow available books, view the books they have already borrowed, check their borrowing history, manage reservations. The dashboard is designed to provide easy navigation so that user can quickly access the required library services. Next, we move the search book section. This page displays the collection of books available in the library. Each book record includes important information such as book title, author, category. The search bar allows users to quickly locate books by entering keywords such as the book title, author's name. This makes it easier for users to find the books they need without manually searching through the entire collection.
Now we move to the borrow book feature. If the selected book is available, the user can borrow it directly through the system. After confirming the borrowing request, the system records the transaction and updates the available quantity of that book automatically. Next, we move to the My Issued Book section. This page displays all the books currently borrowed by the logged in user. For each issued book, the system displays important information including the book title, borrowing date, due date, and the current borrowing status. Users can easily monitor which books are currently in their possession and check the due dates to avoid overdue returns. This feature helps users manage their borrowed book conveniently.